If you or a loved one has kidney disease, you know how overwhelming food choices can become. One wrong meal could send your potassium levels dangerously high, putting strain on your already compromised kidneys. But what if I told you there are 6 delicious, nutritious foods that are not only safe for kidney patients, but can actually support your overall health? Today, I'm revealing the kidney-friendly foods that nephrologists recommend most, plus the surprising preparation method that can reduce potassium in any vegetable by up to 50%. This information could be life-changing for anyone managing kidney disease. Managing kidney disease means carefully monitoring potassium intake because damaged kidneys can't effectively remove excess potassium from your blood. High potassium levels can cause dangerous heart rhythm problems and muscle weakness. The challenge is that many healthy foods like bananas, oranges, and potatoes are high in potassium, leaving kidney patients confused about what they can safely eat. The good news is that with the right knowledge, you can enjoy a varied, nutritious diet while protecting your kidney health. Let's explore the 6 best low-potassium foods that kidney specialists consistently recommend, and I'll share practical tips for incorporating them into delicious, satisfying meals. White rice is a kidney patient's best friend, containing only about 55 milliliters of potassium per half-cup serving. Unlike brown rice, which is higher in potassium, white rice provides safe carbohydrates for energy without stressing your kidneys. Preparation tip: rinse rice thoroughly before cooking to remove any excess minerals. You can enhance flavor by cooking it in low-sodium broth or adding kidney-safe herbs like basil or oregano. White rice is also versatile. Use it as a base for stir-fries with other kidney-friendly vegetables, or enjoy it as a side dish with lean proteins. Cauliflower is remarkably low in potassium at just 88 milligallons per half-cup serving, making it an excellent substitute for higher potassium vegetables. It's also rich in vitamin C and fiber, supporting overall health. Preparation tip: try cauliflower rice as a substitute for regular rice, or mash it as a lower potassium alternative to mashed potatoes. Roasting cauliflower with kidney-safe seasonings like garlic powder and herbs creates a delicious side dish. The versatility of cauliflower means you can enjoy it raw in salads, steamed as a side, or incorporated into soups and casseroles. Cabbage contains only 60 milliliters of potassium per half-cup serving and provides valuable nutrients including vitamin K and folate. It's also naturally anti-inflammatory, which can benefit overall kidney health. Preparation tip: use cabbage in coleslaw with a kidney-friendly dressing, add it to soups, or sauté it with onions and herbs. Red and green cabbage are both excellent choices. Cabbage is also budget-friendly and stores well, making it practical for meal planning when managing a chronic condition. Bell peppers are surprisingly low in potassium, with red peppers containing about 70 milliliters per half cup. They're also packed with vitamin C and antioxidants that support immune function, important for kidney patients who may be more susceptible to infections. Preparation tip: use bell peppers raw in salads, stuff them with kidney-friendly rice and lean protein, or add them to stir-fries. The bright colors make meals more visually appealing and enjoyable. Cucumbers are extremely low in potassium at just 45 milliliters per half-cup serving. They're also high in water content, which can help with hydration while being gentle on the kidneys. Preparation tip: enjoy cucumbers in salads, as a crunchy snack with kidney-friendly dips, or infused in water for a refreshing drink. Peeling cucumbers can further reduce any mineral content. While not technically low-potassium foods, lean proteins like chicken breast and certain fish are moderate in potassium and essential for maintaining muscle mass and overall health in kidney patients. Preparation tip: choose cooking methods that don't add extra potassium. Grilling, baking, or poaching are ideal. Avoid marinades with high potassium ingredients like tomatoes or citrus. Focus on portion sizes recommended by your healthcare team, typically 3 to 4 ounces per meal, and pair with the low-potassium vegetables we've discussed. Here's the game-changing technique I mentioned: leaching. This process can reduce potassium in higher potassium vegetables by up to 50%. How to leach vegetables. Peel and cut vegetables into small pieces. Rinse in warm water for several seconds. Soak in warm water for at least 2 hours. Use 10 times the amount of water as vegetables. Rinse again and cook in fresh water. This technique works especially well with potatoes, carrots, and winter squash, allowing you to occasionally enjoy these foods safely. Creating kidney-friendly meals doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or satisfaction. Here's a sample day using our 6 foods. Breakfast, scrambled eggs with sautéed bell peppers and herbs. Lunch, grilled chicken over white rice with steamed cauliflower. Dinner, baked fish with cabbage slaw and cucumber salad. Snack, fresh cucumber slices with a kidney-friendly dip. Remember these key principles. Always work with your healthcare team to determine your specific potassium limits. Read food labels carefully, as potassium content can vary. Keep a food diary to track your intake. Stay hydrated, but follow fluid restrictions if prescribed. Managing kidney disease through diet requires dedication, but with the right foods and preparation techniques, you can maintain good nutrition while protecting your kidney health. For more comprehensive guidance on kidney-friendly nutrition, including meal plans, recipes, and detailed food lists, consult with a registered dietitian who specializes in kidney disease. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more evidence-based health content. Your kidneys work hard for you. Return the favor by giving them the nutritional support they need.